Now let's take a quick look at project documents. Project documents is a great place to organize all your files on a single project. To get to them, you just click on the folder icon and it'll take you in and you can see the file browser here. The file browser has these icons across the top that allow you to create new folders, upload into the current folder you're in, delete the selected item that you have, change your view from a list view to an icon view. And down here, we can see the folders, and if there were files uploaded, which we can see down here, there's no files. If there were files uploaded, we could see those and preview them. Now, based on your user level, you'll be able to see more folders or less folders. For example, the person I'm currently logged in as is Brian Greenwood. Brian Greenwood has owner level access on this account, so he can see the manager and the owner folder here. If I switch over to another user, here I'm logged in as Joe Schmo. Joe Schmo cannot see the owner or manager folder. If Joe was a manager, he would see the manager folder, but not the owner folder. Now these are examples. Your location may have other folders that have different permissions that are for managers and owners. These are the basic ones that we include with every install. The actual folders that get set up on your location may be different. So let's take a look at browsing through. If I click onto a folder, it will open it up, and I can see there's nothing inside. If I click the up arrow here, it'll take me to the previous folder I was in. When I go into a folder, you'll see right up here it's giving me breadcrumbs from where I'm at. When I click the up arrow, it takes me back out of that folder into the one that's previous there. Original condition photos. If I go in here, there's nothing. Let's go ahead and create a folder in here, and we're going to call it Basement. Submit that. Now we have a folder called Basement. When we go into the Basement folder, we can see up here we're in Basement, which is a subfolder of original condition photos. If I want to upload files into this directory, I just click on the upload, click to select some files. And again, on your phone, this may look very different. It may be asking you to select from your photo gallery, to take a photo, use your camera, or browse files that are on your phone. Once you're in the appropriate place, select the items that you want to upload and click Open. It'll give you a list of those files. If the file exists, you can choose to skip it, or you can overwrite with the new file. Once you click Submit, you'll upload those photos, and then they'll appear here. When we click on a photo that's there, it'll give us a preview of all the photos that are inside that folder. We can tap on a photo. It'll bring up a zoomable preview. We can also swipe through the photos. And when we're done, click the X to close. And then down here, we can close. If we want to go back to the original condition photos folder, we can either click the X here or click on the name right there. We can create as many folders as we want, and we can upload as many files as we want. That's a quick overview of using the File Manager.